Welcome to Simple Learning. Today we will see Karnataka TET 2021 Child Development and Pedagogy Paper 2 Answer Key. Question number 61. The knowledge of growth and development of children for a classroom teacher helps to measure different aspects of growth and development of children. Question number 62. One of the factors that does not influence the development of the child is achievement. Question number 63. School as an agent of socialization. Correct answer is provides social skills through interaction. Question number 64. One of the indications of social development of a child is becoming an active member of peer group replacing family group. Question number 65. The main focus on assessment of learning is to find out the achievement in learning outcomes. Question number 66. According to Vygotsky, children's learning involves social interactions that involve communication. Question number 67. The central concept of progressive education is the assumption that every child is potential in learning. Question number 68. The concept of multidimensional intelligence mainly helps the teachers to know how children prefer to learn and process information. Question number 69. An example for individual differences in children's cognitive skill is speed of learning. Question number 70. An impact of gender bias in classroom is it develops competition among students, it creates separate opportunities for boys and girls, it limits holistic development and learning, it promotes learning. Correct answer is option 3. Question number 71. An example for gender as a social construct is parents' hesitation to send their daughters for higher education. Question number 72. Teacher intends to follow school-based assessment. By this, he or she can ascertain quality of his or her teaching in classroom. A child starts thinking while solving a problem as a result of this. Correct answer is the child gets the solution mentally. Question number 74. The continuous and comprehensive evaluation emphasizes student achievement after completion of every content. Question number 75. An important criterion upon which the student assessment is carried out is prescribed text contents, learning outcomes, learning experiences provided in classrooms, students' performance in school subjects. Correct answer is option 2. Question number 76. Cooperative learning and peer tutoring in an inclusive classroom with diverse learners. Correct answer is actively promotes the facilitation of peer acceptance. Question number 77. The concept of inclusive education. Correct answer is rejects the use of special schools or classrooms. Question number 78. A teacher has the ability to discover and apply dynamic methods of arousing interest among his students. This shows his intelligence, creativity, thinking, aptitude. Correct answer is creativity. Question number 79. The one which is not a characteristic of dyslexia is usage of right or left hand, problems in reading with accuracy, speed and comprehension, slow writing, difficulty in recalling words. Correct answer is option 1. Question number 80. To promote independent thinking and make children effective learners, the teacher should reward students for every achievement, teach students well using different learning materials, provide learning information in small units or chunks, present information in an organized manner to make it easy for recall. Correct answer is teach students well using different learning materials. Question number 81. One of the causes for failure to learn among the students is lack of motivation. Question number 82. The basic internal component required for learning is readiness, maturation, physical growth, attitude. Correct answer will be readiness. Question number 83. The acquaint students with problem solving skills. The teacher should provide the activities that involve accuracy and precision, memorization and comprehension, drill and frequent practice, inquiring, reasoning and decision making. Correct answer is option 4. Question number 84. The cognitive skill involved in learning to read is mental disposition, thinking ability, spoken language, imagination. Correct answer is thinking ability. Question number 85. The problem solving behavior of a child is exhibited through thinking and reasoning power, referring to different sources of knowledge, trial and error method of experimentation. Option 4. Seeking the help of a trusted teacher. Correct answer is thinking and reasoning power. Question number 86. The strategy children use for learning on their own is. Correct answer is perceive concrete objects and acquire sensory knowledge. Question number 87. One of the factors that describes the emotion is mental representation of general feelings in a child. Question number 88. A child derives pleasure in learning a content and is engaged in that. This represent drive. Question number 89. The impact of behavior on learning is it varies stimulus and responses. It directs learners towards specific goals. It sets multiple tasks. It develops study habits. Correct answer is option 2. Question number 90. One of the process related to factors affecting learning is basic potential of the learner, mastery over the subject matter, nature of content and learning experiences, linking new learning with the past. Correct answer nature of content and learning experiences.